Hello. Welcome to another Moosend tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create newsletters with ready-made templates through our drag and drop editor. Creating a newsletter design with Moosend is very easy. And the best part is that you don't need any coding skills at all, so let's start. For this video, we are going to create a newsletter for promoting your website's new products. On the Moosend dashboard, click on the Settings button. On the menu below, click the Templates option. Locate the Campaigns option, and click Editor. There you will find a wide range of templates for any industry and type of campaign. Browse the templates to find the one that suits you best and click Preview Template. Click the View on icons to see how it looks on different devices. If the design suits your campaign, click on the Use Template button to start customizing it. To change an image, double-click on it and the image picker will load. Then, choose the image you want to use from one of these applications. Image Picker allows you to source the perfect image for your design by uploading it from your computer, cloud storage, social media account, Giphy or Unsplash stock photos. I am going to choose one from Unsplash stock photos and use the search bar to find the category I want. Then click Select and Add. If you want to crop the image, click on the corresponding icon on your left and adjust the width and height by dragging the arrows. Click Crop when you're done. You can also delete the elements or containers that you will not use by clicking on the corresponding icon. Click on the Elements icon, and add some spacers to allow your content to breathe. In Structure Settings, adjust the row padding and slot spacing. Style the text to your preferences by changing font, size, and color, and text padding from the settings on the left. In the same fashion, you can also style your button. Change the color and add the proper link, and don't forget to determine how it opens. Change the label, and customize font family and size. Similar to any other element, here too we can adjust the button width, padding and corner radius. You can change the layout of your newsletter if you want. To do this, go to the menu on your left and click on the Structure tab, where you will find different column layouts. We call them containers. Drag and drop the container of your choice anywhere you like. Click the plus symbol to decide what to do with your container, and then click on it to open its settings on the menu on your left. When using a template, you have the complete freedom to change, customize, move, or delete any elements in the design. Just click on the specific element to open its settings on your left. Go to the Preview tab to see how your newsletter looks on different devices. When you're ready, click Update Template and exit. And you're done. You just created a professional newsletter template. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.